Hi there, my name is Nadernejad. I fix the reputations of businesses and individuals. In today's video, how to fix a PR crisis. I'll get to the point. Step number one, I don't know who caused it, but if it was you, you need to issue an apology. Issue an apology, either by video or in writing. But I think a lot of traditional PR agencies let this one go by and don't realize video apologies always work better. In fact, if you could go in public and stand at a podium or something and give an apology, that is the best because you've done it in person. You don't have to issue the press release. It's going to be done for you. Yeah, you won't be able to control the message as much, but the fact that you issued an apology is fantastic. The second step after issuing your apology is to wait and see how the media responds to it. You'll often see negative media come out after an apology. It's very normal. The apology is not remorseful. You said something that was taken for not really being apologetic. That's very normal. You need to make sure in your speech that you're always focusing on the other person and not focusing on yourself. In your apology, focus on the other person. I'm sorry, I did something wrong, I lied. Like these sort of things. Don't say anything about your character. Don't say, I swear I'm a good person. Don't say any of that. Just say, I lied and I'm really sorry and I really want to make it better. And the genuine wanting to fix it is what helps. That's what restores the credibility. And say, like, I don't care how bad this makes me look. It was awful of me. I did everything wrong. It is completely my fault. Just go with that. Go all in. Either go all in or don't issue the apology. Once you've issued that apology, media will write about you. If you follow my rule and stuck to focusing on the damage you caused and not on any good parts of yourself, then anything that the media wrote to portray you as not apologetic would be considered almost libel, because you can't just assume that someone's not apologetic. I mean, people could say that, but news agencies, journalists won't be able to write that. So don't give them any reason to. The next step after you've issued your apology and the media has responded is just wait for it to die down. In the middle of it, as it's fizzling out, what you want to do is continue business as usual. You need to keep posting content about yourself with your name in it or with your brand in it. And you need not to serve as distraction, but just to populate the internet with other content that's not just the negative media. Once that media dies down and it is gone, or it's not in the public interest anymore, that's when we can start aggressively publishing positive content about something completely different that you're doing. And if anybody finds this in public record in the past, they see the apology that you issued, they see everything that happened, it's in public record, but they also see all the good stuff on top of it. And people are like onions. Bad things happen. At the end of the day, it shows you're newsworthy. Depending on how bad what you did is, it shows you're newsworthy. Because if the positive reputation outshines the negative reputation, then you become more powerful. You do. Unless the negative stuff is really, 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 really bad, in which case, if 95% of the media is positive and 5% is horrendous, very damning bad, then you still might be okay, because 95% of the media. But the worse the thing is, the higher percentage of positive media we need to have out there. And that's my own personal finding. What I do when I help clients is I'll go and I'll actually ask other people, search this person, what do you think? And then I'll have them rate that person or that brand on a scale from 1 to 10. And then I use that feedback to inform future reports and studies. It's a data-driven approach. And I honestly think that if you follow the steps in this video to address your PR crisis, you're going to be A-okay. My name is Nadernejad. I fix the online reputations of people who have ruined them in the media. If you want to send me a message, my info is down below. Otherwise, drop me a comment. Let me know if this was helpful. And be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.